Contract lifecycle management software versus external legal counsel. Which one is better for SMEs? Most small and medium-sized enterprises assume that external legal counsel is the only way to manage contracts efficiently, but the surprising truth is that contract lifecycle management, or CLM, software can often deliver faster, more cost-effective results. CLM software automates the creation, negotiation, approval, and tracking of contracts. For instance, juggling multiple suppliers, clients, and service agreements, a robust CLM system can reduce errors into your compliance and provide real-time visibility into contract status. For example, automated alerts for renewal dates or compliance clauses prevent missed deadlines, which can save both money and legal headaches. External legal counsel brings deep expertise and tailored advice. Lawyers can negotiate complex terms, interpret ambiguous clauses, and provide strategic guidance in high-stakes deals. However, for routine contracts, hourly billing can become expensive and turnaround times may be slower than software-enabled processes. The key difference lies in scale and complexity. CLM software excels at high-volume, repetitive contract tasks, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and cost control. External counsel is essential for unusual, complex, or high-value agreements where legal judgment and risk assessment are critical. Many SMEs now combine the two, using CLM software for day-to-day contracts and calling in counsel only when specialized legal expertise is required. The takeaway is clear: for most SMEs, CLM software significantly improves contract efficiency, reduces administrative burden, and saves money. The surprising truth is that external counsel is not always the first line for managing contracts. By strategically combining software with legal guidance for complex issues, SMEs can streamline operations while maintaining strong legal safeguards.